Hi, Poulumi here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look, like this all green eye makeup look. So I ended up using only one palette throughout this entire tutorial. Oh my god, this is something very new for me. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieve this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. And for this particular base makeup look, it is live on my Insta handle. My Insta handle is Poulumi Mimi. From there you can check out this particular base makeup routine and many other more beautiful videos. So now, without any more wasting of your valuable time, let's roll the intro. Now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, and I have also prepped and primed my eyelids. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to start on with my eyeshadow palettes. The very first palette that I'm going to take right now is going to be a green palette by Colourpuff Cosmetics, which is basically this one, which is called Just My Luck palette. So I'm just going to take this beautiful palette over here, and from this beautiful palette over here I'm going to take this dark green shade, which is known as Act Natural, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this dark green shade, and I'm just going to take this shade and put it onto like this 1/3 portion of my eyes, like above my crease. I'm just not going to do like the full crease. I'm just going to start putting it from here, and I'm going to end it onto like this area, like half of the area. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Right now I'm just marking the position where I want my shade to be. Later on I will be blending it out, and to blend it out I will be using some other shades and other colors. So right now I'm just taking my brush and I'm marking the area where I want my color to be. Now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with that a dark green shade called Act Natural, so I'm going to go towards another shade to blend this dark green shade. And for that, today I'm going to take this beautiful shade over here called Kiss My Ass, and I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is a little bit broken. It was broken since the time it arrived. It broke in the transit. So yeah, I'm just going to take a tad bit of that color onto another brush, and I'm just going to start blending this dark green shade with this particular minty, I won't say minty, but oh my god, I'm just loving this color. I don't know, it's not minty, but this color is so beautiful. It's just matching my dress today. So I'm just going to start blending it out. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with that second shade, which is known as Kiss My Ass, so I'm just going to go ahead with another color, which is going to be lighter than the second color, and that is going to be like this particular color over here, and that is going to be this one. It is known as Chances Are. So I'm just going to take this shade, which is known as Chances Are, and taking the shade and to a fluffy brush, and just going to give everything that nice and final blend. I'm just fluffing the outer edges and buffing the outer edges, and I'm just trying to diffuse the edges and buff it and blend it. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just diffusing the edges in a little tiny circular motion. So in the process, if I see that any color which I used previously have lost some pigmentation, I will be going ahead and putting that color on once again. So now as you can see that I'm suddenly back after putting some lines onto like this area and that area. So I suddenly found that my camera was not recording. So now my camera is recording. Yes, surely it's recording. So now when I'm back and my camera is recording, so I'm just going to take that same dark green shade, which was known as Act Natural, which is over here. So I'm just going to take this particular shade onto like my brush, and I'm just going to mark out like an area onto like this area and that area. So now when I'm done putting on that dark green shade, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards that shade called Kiss My Ass, and then I'm just going to go towards a shade called Chances Are. So I'm just going to go with this one, and then I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm just going to blend that dark green shade in the same process I did my crease onto like this area. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with this corner V sort of a thingy and blending it out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to start cutting my crease and cleaning it up for the other colors. And to do that, I'm just going to clean my eyelid using an eye makeup remover. You can take any eye makeup remover. I'm using my L'Oreal Paris eye makeup remover, and then I'm just going to go towards my concealer to cut my crease. And for my concealer, I'm using my PAC Spotlight Ready concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 porcelain. So I'm just going to use this particular concealer over here to cut my crease. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my cut crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my Luck palette. It seems like this is going to be like a one palette tutorial. Oh my god, like a one palette and such an intense eye. That's something like I'm doing for the first time on my channel. So yeah, I'm just going to take from this particular palette again. I'm just going to take this beautiful shade called Act Natural. Then I'm just going to put it onto like this inner portion of my eyes, and then I'm just going to go over with this shade which is known as Kiss My Ass, and then I'm just going to blend it out with this particular shade. So I'm just going to take the shades in the same order that I have been taking onto like this area. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing onto like this particular area where I have put on the concealer. And by the time my concealer is still tacky, I'm just going to start packing on the shades onto my eyelids. So now as you can see that I'm done putting on those three shades onto my lid space, onto like this area, and shading is also done. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take some pressed glitter, which is basically this one. It is a beautiful green pressed glitter, and I'm going to take this particular glitter over here and I'm just going to press it onto like tiny portion, like tiny empty portion of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done putting on that glitter, like this beautiful glitter, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and put on some liner, water liner. This is by Scuba, the Scuba UV Taffy's palette, which is basically this one. And from this particular palette, I'm just going to take a beautiful green shade over here. So these are like the UV rays. If you put them under blue light, then they are going to be glowy. So I'm just going to take that green shade and I'm just going to put it onto like this tiny portion of my eyes, like where I have just cut my crease. So I'm just going to put it onto like that area to, you know, give it some nice depth and definition. As you can see that I'm done with that liner onto like this area. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and some mascara, and I'm just going to complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now as you can see that I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye, and this is how my makeup turned out to be. I'm super happy with how it turned out to be for my falsies. Today I'm wearing these falsies from Amazon. I will be linking everything down below in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. And on my lips today I'm wearing my Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, which is in the shade Yes Honey. I'm wearing this particular lipstick on my lips. I'm just loving this particular shade. So yeah, I'm so very thankful to all of you for joining in this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and if you guys have enjoyed this video, then do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.